Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Chanel bag. So I picked this up on the way back from Sydney. So I'm at the airport. We're going back to Sydney today. I'm at Heathrow Terminal 2. I'm getting a personal shopper today, so she's going to go shopping with me, which is really exciting. So let's go! We're inside at Terminal 5. I'm with Marina here. She's going to be helping me shop today, so we're going to Chanel. So with a personal shopper, she can take you to like any terminals basically, which is really good. So the reason why I wanted to buy this at the airport is because you get 18% discount, or well, tax-free basically, because I'm flying out from the UK. So this bag was a lot cheaper for me to purchase at the airport than at the boutique itself. So that's why I had to ring them just to make sure that they had it. But I flew out to Scotland like the week before, so I was able to go to the Chanel store and have a look, and then she's like, okay, it's not that busy at the moment, your bag should be fine. So I was like, okay, hopefully it's there. And I kept my fingers crossed, and I rang 24 hours beforehand, and there it was. So I told my personal shopper and I said, you know, just take me to Terminal 5, you know, different items that you look for that you want, she can do that for you. She can like go scout for it. Also with personal shopper at Heathrow Airport, you should get there like 3 hours before your flight, so you have time, because getting to and from terminal you have to catch like a bus, all this kind of stuff, and sometimes it can be a bit of a wait. Let's do the unboxing. So I haven't opened this bag. I think it's the biggest Chanel box that I got. Not to be so awkward about this, but ta-da! Here it is. And put it down here. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful Chanel box, obviously, that I love. I don't know, I think I'm weird. I always smell my bag. So let's do this. Take this off. I always keep all the shopping bags and all the boxes as well, because with a Chanel bag I find if you ever want to resell anything, it's better if you have all the stuff, like the shopping bag, the box, the tissue paper, whatever, right? Like, let's open this. So it comes in this beautifully wrapped paper. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. I haven't done this before on camera, so normally I'm on the floor just doing it by myself. At some point, and it comes with this beautifully wrapped paper and a dust bag. And whoops, it is. It's so beautiful. Okay, so obviously it comes with a little booklet. So I'm gonna put this down so I can show you guys the back. I'll put this on the side. Okay. So this is the big Chanel backpack from this season. It's 3,400 pounds. And I bought it for like 2,600 pounds or something like that at the airport, which is like a great discount, right? Like that's a lot of discount. Like I love a good deal, so I think this was such a good deal. It's big enough to put my laptop, my camera, which is my Nikon. I'm going to be using this all the time. So thank you so much guys for watching all my videos. I really appreciate it.